Hello doctors, welcome back. So if you guys are preparing for the upcoming June 2026 FMGE examination, this video is for you. So now we just have 5 more months left for the examination. Based on this, we had started 2 batches, that is on 2nd of Feb and 8th of Feb 2026. But for any reason, if you could not join those batches, do not worry, you still have the chance to join the Mission 200 Plus plan, which is exclusively curated for the FMGE aspirants. So now in the Mission 200 Plus plan, the new batch which was started on 8th of Feb, we have covered 2 subjects, that is PSM and ENT. ENT is still ongoing. So if you join today, you still will be able to catch up with these 2 subjects. So now how will you catch up with the missed subjects? So we have the schedule where we divide your studies into 3 parts, that is your lab 1, lab 2, lab 3. And right now lab 1 is going on, where all the 19 subjects are being covered by all the 19 faculties, where in-depth concepts are explained to you. And in this lab 1 schedule, you even get break days, you get the days to give your GTs. So during these days, you can catch up with those old missed subjects. And now how do you catch up? You get the access to the full recorded main videos. So you can either see those videos of the missed subjects on the break day or on the days of GT or even in the morning, as the live classes will be conducted in the evening session. So you still have the time. So you will be able to catch up with the missed subjects, and the schedule is designed in such a way that you can cover up all the missed subjects in a very systematic way without any stress. Now coming to lab 2, we will be doing all the live revision classes of all 19 subjects, and then we go ahead with lab 3, that is your marathon classes, where your all 19 subjects will be covered within a span of 7 to 10 days before your examination. Now along with your lab 1, lab 2 and lab 3, you also will be getting access to flashcards, late night PYQs and GTs. Now flashcards is for your active recall, where you won't just be blindly reading passively, and also you will be doing spaced repetition, where a card will keep coming in your algorithm unless and until it stays in your mind. Then the late night PYQs are once you finish your topic on that day, once the live lectures are done, based on the same topic you will be solving MCQs on the late night PYQs. Then you will have the specific days to give your GTs, which will simulate the exam pattern, and that will be beneficial for you during the day of your exam. So once you do all these things, and if you're still worried that you did not join the previous classes, do not worry, you still have the time to go enroll. So go check out the Cerebellum app or the Cerebellum website, check out the Mission 200 Plus plan and avail your 10% discount today. Thank you so much.